Are you a coach looking to diversify your income streams for your brand? Or maybe you just want some passive income ideas because you want to stop trading your time for money? Or you could just be looking for a form of insurance inside your business in case your business slows down. If you're a coach or personal brand seeking more financial freedom or just an additional income source for your personal brand, then you're in the right place. I'm going to reveal 10 passive income ideas specific for personal brands and coaches that will revolutionize how your business operates and give you more freedom inside your business. I'll even reveal my passive income strategy that is bringing in $7,958 every single month. If you're anything like me, you've been through the grind, hustling every day to grow your business, reaching out to new clients, and constantly posting just so that your business can stay afloat. You have spent every waking hour chasing the next lead and chasing the next client. When I was in that position, it seemed like no matter how much effort I put in, I was always chasing the next client, the next sale, and the next paycheck. Because I knew if I stopped hustling, the money would stop coming in as well. But I knew there had to be a better way. And yes, much like you right now, I heard of these ideas called passive income, but I didn't know how that would work for my specific brand. Now, I'll admit it took me a long time to realize this, and I was often stuck chasing the next shiny object or the next get-rich-quick scheme. I learned that I could create passive income alongside what I was already doing, and most importantly, in a way that felt authentic and in alignment with my personal brand. And let me tell you, it's an absolute game changer when this clicks. And today I'm excited to share with you those exact 10 ideas that I used for myself, but more importantly, that I've seen work for countless clients that I've had the pleasure of working with. And these 10 proven ideas have the potential to dramatically transform your personal brand. So if you're ready to break free from the time for money trap and truly unlock the potential of passive income, then grab a pen and paper because we're gonna be going over 10 passive income ideas that have the potential to radically transform your life. Let's dive in. Now, as a quick caveat, it is important to address something first, namely that this idea of passive income isn't truly passive. Now, while passive income is truly incredible and can and will transform your life, there's a few things we have to get straight. Yes, they offer great flexibility and great freedom, but they do require quite a bit of work to set up. It's important to note that they still require effort to get started. But once you get them started, then they can become passive. They still require some effort to keep afloat, but that's where the true power of passive income comes in, when you're no longer trading your time for hours. And that's what's known as leverage. Now, there are 3 specific levels of passive income. One is the extra income level. This is where you're just trying to make some extra money inside of your personal brand. 2, the insurance level. This is essentially where you aspire to get all of your bills covered. Or in other words, if you stop making money today, your business will still stay afloat and your passive income will act as insurance for your business. And lastly, the level I think we should all aspire to is the freedom level. This is where you truly unlock the power of passive income and your time is no longer tied to your results. This is where your passive income streams begin to take over and you no longer have to work inside your business to make money because you're passively generating enough income to create freedom inside your business. Now let's get to the good stuff. Now, each one of these next 10 passive income ideas have the potential to radically transform your life. So don't think you have to implement every single one of these. Make sure you listen to all of these 10 strategies because all you need is one to dramatically transform your business. Now, if you're anything like me, you've seen these other passive income idea videos, but these are specific to your business, to personal brands, and to coaches alike. And the first of the 10 passive income ideas that we have is referrals and partnerships. So as a personal brand, you've likely already built valuable relationships with others in your industries or in different industries. One way you can capitalize on these relationships is to leverage those connections by establishing referral partnerships. So what that looks like is when referring clients or promoting products or even collaborating on these projects, referrals and partnerships can actually generate passive income through commissions and revenue sharing. So let's say, for example, you're a health coach. You can easily partner with someone that's, let's say, a mindset coach and refer clients to each other because you're not directly competing with each other, but it's very likely that your clients as a health coach can also use someone like a mindset coach. And the reason this is passive is because you can generate a commission by referring your clients to them at no additional work to you. One of the best ways to really harness the power of partnerships is to bake into your offer a partnership offer. So let's say as the health coach, inside of your onboarding, inside of your program, you get 1 free consultation with the mindset coach. And then the mindset coach, as a part of their program, they get 1 free consultation with a health coach. So that way, inside of your actual offer, you have that partnership, or in other words, that referral partnership baked into your offer. So that way you're constantly getting a new stream of passive income as you send people to your referral partner. The next one here, and the most common one you hear talked about, is affiliate programs. Very similar to the last one, but affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. So one of the best ways you can unlock the power of affiliates is to look for a product or service that aligns with your brand and with your audience. Then you can promote these products inside of your specific offer, or even through your website, blog, social media, or even your email list. And then with each sale you generate through your own affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Now, where people go wrong with affiliate programs is they think it has to be a whole new business. But a lot of times, if you find a specific product or service that you love, it's easy to incorporate that into your existing business. So using the health coach as an example again, you can easily find things like supplements, apparel, workout equipment that you absolutely love, that you use yourself, that you can recommend your clients take inside of your program. So that can be as simple as recommending specific pre-workouts or post-workout protein shakes that you yourself love that your clients can benefit from. Now, you may only be receiving 20-25% commission, but if every single client you have gives you an extra 20% on top of what they're already paying you, that can really add up month over month. Hey, if you're finding value in this list so far, please take a second to hit that like button. Also consider subscribing if you're looking to grow your personal brand. Now, the next passive income idea is my absolute favorite, and that's digital products. This is one of the most popular passive income streams, and for good reason, is because personal brands and coaches can leverage digital products that they make once and sell forever. Whether it's an ebook, online course, digital downloads, or creating and selling digital products, it allows you to monetize your expertise and knowledge with very little time or effort. Once you've created your digital product, you can sell it repeatedly without the need for ongoing management. And with the right marketing strategy, these digital products are not only passive, but they can be extremely lucrative. One of my health coaching clients just made an ebook for $97 and made over $100,000 in the first week of launching it. And the power of this is not only is it lucrative this week during her launch, but she can now sell this guide for the rest of her life and continually drive more and more customers to purchase this product. The next passive income idea is physical products. Now, in addition to digital products, don't overlook the potential of selling physical products. From branded merchandise to physical goods related to your niche, there are endless possibilities for creating and selling physical products as a personal brand. Now, as a fun bonus here, you can also sell physical products like swag that have your own branding on it to increase brand loyalty and grow your personal brand that way. Today, there are many print-on-demand services that you can leverage that require no work from you to actually fulfill these products. You set up the store once and you're selling products forever with no work on your end. So not only can you make extra passive income off of selling these physical products, you can also use these physical products as a type of marketing to grow your personal brand. The next passive income idea, and arguably the most powerful passive income idea on this list, is to create content specifically for YouTube. Content creation platforms like YouTube offer a unique opportunity to monetize your expertise in a passive way through ad revenue, sponsorship, and product placements. Now, yes, this requires a lot of work, so it's not directly passive, but by creating consistent, valuable content that resonates with your audience, you can attract a loyal following and monetize your YouTube channel through various revenue streams. From ad revenue generated by YouTube partnership program to sponsored content ideas with your brand, YouTube offers multiple avenues for generating passive income as a personal brand. And even if you're not directly creating revenue through YouTube or through their partnership program, you can create revenue on the back end by driving eyeballs, by driving those viewers to your actual products or your offers. And I'll say, when you unlock the power of YouTube and building an audience, it is by far the most valuable marketing tool your business can have. One of my clients brings in over 6 figures a month just from the AdSense inside of YouTube. And now what he's doing is he's leveraging that audience to drive more traffic to his programs, his services, his swag shop, and all of these other passive income ideas. So yes, YouTube requires the most work to get started and to maintain, but it is by far the most powerful strategy on this list. And I'll say too, that's exactly my intent with this YouTube channel as well. The next passive income strategy here is to sell your sawdust. Now, sell your sawdust is a concept that refers to monetizing the byproducts of your main business or content creation efforts. So as a personal brand, you've likely already created a wealth of valuable content, insights, resources, templates inside of your work. Now, instead of letting these assets go to waste, you can monetize them by repackaging them into new products or standalone services. So you can turn blog posts, pieces of content into ebooks that you sell. You can repurpose videos into online courses, or you can even bundle coaching sessions that you've done in the past into memberships or standalone masterclasses. So selling your sawdust allows you to extract additional value from content you've already created and then use that asset to generate passive income. So I'm using this concept for myself where I'm selling my sawdust, or in other words, selling my templates, my scripts, and even my Canva designs that I currently am making for my clients that other people who aren't my paying clients can benefit from. So it's really no extra work for me, but a new passive income stream that I can create. So next, one of the least sexy but very powerful strategies we have for passive income is automations. Automations inside your business is another key strategy for creating passive income as a personal brand. Whether it's setting up automated email marketing campaigns or creating funnels that automatically upsell clients, these automations are key to creating passive income that sells itself. Let me give you 3 examples of this. Number 1, a lead magnet upsell. So anytime somebody opts in for a free lead magnet, you should have an automated email marketing campaign that follows up with them to upsell them into your other products or your services. So you set that up once and you can reap the rewards forever. Number 2, an upsell funnel. So anytime somebody is already purchasing an existing product, let's say your ebook that you designed from the previous steps, you can create an upsell inside of that sales process to automatically take them from buying one ebook to buying another complementary product. And again, you set this upsell up once and you forever reap the benefits. And number 3, a follow-up automation. So anytime somebody comes into your ecosystem, whether it's a lead or a prospect that fell through the cracks, you should have an automation set up, typically in the form of an email marketing campaign that automatically follows up with that lead. So this way, you are now automatically following up with a prospect that otherwise would have fallen through the cracks and can now become a paying customer. Again, set it up once, forever reap the rewards. The next passive income strategy on this list and my secret sauce is reselling tech and tools. Reselling tech and tools is a lesser known but highly lucrative passive income opportunity. Now, this doesn't work for every business, but if you are a business that leverages tech and tools, this is likely a passive income strategy that you can leverage. So as a personal brand or coach, you're likely using various softwares, tools, or technologies to support your own business. So consider becoming an affiliate or a reseller of these products to earn commissions and recurring revenue for each and every sale you generate. So as a project management software, a marketing tool, productivity app, reselling tech and tools allows you to monetize your recommendations and provide value to your audience while generating passive income. And this is my passive income source that is currently generating $7,958 every single month. So what I do inside my business is every time somebody signs up for a website with me, that requires a tech and hosting subscription. And inside that subscription, what I'm doing is I'm reselling the tools that they have to have for their business. So I give my clients the best of the best tools that they need, and I get a kickback. And just being transparent, having that amount of money come in every single month is absolutely life-changing. And what excites me the most about that is every single client that I sign on is now adding to that passive income. The next passive income idea is membership sites. Membership sites offer a recurring revenue model that can provide a steady stream of passive income for your personal brand. You can do this by offering exclusive content, resources, community access to paying members, and you can even create a sense of belonging and value inside of the membership itself while generating passive income every single month. So whether it's a private community, premium content library, or even a group coaching program, membership sites allow you to monetize your expertise and build a sustainable income stream while serving your audience. And much like some of the other items on this list, membership sites, when done well, require quite a bit of work. So of all the items on this list, this one may require a little more upkeep than the others. Last and certainly not least in my secret sauce is to create a passive income funnel. A passive income funnel is a way to automate your sales and marketing efforts. A passive income funnel is a system that guides potential customers through a series of steps that have been carefully and meticulously crafted. So what this passive income funnel looks like is it's a sales funnel for digital products specifically that also leverages an email nurture sequence on the back end. Inside of this funnel, following the digital product, we upsell them into whatever your next offer is, whether that's a membership site or your specific coaching offer. The beauty of the passive income funnel is that it allows you to generate revenue on autopilot and scale your business without you trading your time for money. So just to break down this funnel real quick for you, we send traffic, whether organic or paid, to an opt-in page, typically to get a lead magnet. After this opt-in page, we directly upsell them into a small digital product. The purpose of this product is to recoup our ad spend. So we're essentially breaking even to acquire new paying customers or new leads. Now, after that digital product or that self-liquidating offer, we then immediately upsell them again into the next step or the next offer inside of your funnel. This typically looks like your core offer or your service. So the beauty of this funnel is you're now getting people to opt in on the front end, or in other words, you're getting new leads. You're immediately recouping or even profiting off of your self-liquidating offer. And then you're essentially acquiring new paying customers or new leads on autopilot for free, or ideally in a profit, without trading any of your time for money. This is an absolutely beautiful process when done right. So if you want us to install a passive income funnel just like this inside your business, click the link in the description and see if working with my team is right for you. All right, so there you have it, 10 passive income ideas specific to coaches and personal brands. But remember, building passive income does take time, but I'll tell you, when done right, the rewards are well worth it. So pick one or more of these ideas that resonates with you and take action, and watch as your income grows while you sit back and do what matters most to you. And if you love these passive income ideas, make sure you watch this video next. I'll see you next week.